Hi everybody, Paul here again. If your home has a central air conditioning system, then you'll have something outside which looks similar to this called a condenser, which consists of a compressor and a fan. The key component that turns the condenser on and off is called a relay switch, which is located inside the condenser. When the wall-mounted thermostat inside your home tells the air conditioning system to turn on, what the thermostat is actually doing is it's turning on the relay switch, which then sends voltage to the compressor and fan to circulate refrigerant and provide cool air. Over time, the relay switch will wear out. The good news is they're very inexpensive and very easy to replace. In my opinion, a relay switch is at the top of the list and the #1 cause of why central air conditioning systems stop working. My system just stopped working the other day. I inspected the relay switch and sure enough, it needed to be replaced, which is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. In order to find the correct relay switch replacement, you'll need to get the model number found on your condenser. A lot of times you can find these relay switches on eBay or Amazon. I purchased mine at a place called RepairClinic.com. To replace the relay switch, first turn off the electrical power going to the condenser. Condensers are powered with 240 volts, which is extremely dangerous and can kill you. Turning the power off to this condenser is done from outside the house right by the condenser. Yours may be located on the inside of the house. Now the electrical power going to the condenser should be turned off. To gain access to the relay switch, you'll need to remove the cover on the back of the condenser. This is the relay switch here. I still like to check the relay switch with the digital multimeter to make absolutely certain that there's no voltage going to the relay switch. Set your digital multimeter to 600 AC volts. Next, touch the 2 probes to the 2 wires on the bottom of the relay switch. As you can see, there's no voltage. Next, remove the relay switch by removing the screws that hold it in place. Once the relay switch is removed, it's always a good idea to take pictures or write down on a piece of paper how all the different wires are attached to the switch. This one has 8 different wires. When you install the new relay switch, there's normally no special upright or downward position. You can install it like this or install it like this. Either way is fine. Next, remove 1 wire at a time and reattach it to the new relay switch. Once all of the wires have been switched over to the new relay switch, then fasten it back down with the screws. Next, reinstall the cover and fasten it back down with the screws. Next, turn the power back on and you're done. And as you can see, the condenser's working again. So here's my old relay switch, and this is how they work. All relay switches will have 4 electrical contacts. There's one here, 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 and here. When the switch turns on, all 4 electrical contacts will come together, making a complete electrical circuit and turn the condenser on. When the switch turns off, all 4 electrical contacts will separate, causing an incomplete electrical circuit and turn the condenser off. Over time, the face of these electrical contacts slowly burn away and become pitted, which is what eventually causes these relay switches to fail. However, a lot of times when these relay switches go bad, you can temporarily fix it like I did. In order to do this, there's no need to remove the relay switch from the condenser. Again, with the power turned off, simply remove 1 wire connection at a time by the electrical contact and take a small file and smooth down the face of the electrical contacts. Smooth it down on one side and then smooth it down on the other side. Reattach the wire and then do the next one. If you do this to all 4 electrical contacts, then a lot of times this will temporarily fix it and get your air conditioning system running again until you can get a new relay switch. But don't delay in getting it replaced. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.